Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So if the Bluetooth on and off button is not showing in your laptop, in this video we are going to fix this issue. So as you can see, the on and off button is not showing in my laptop. To fix this issue, first you have to run the troubleshooter, the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Click on this Windows icon and then type troubleshoot, and you will get the option of troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now here you will see the option of additional troubleshooters. Click on it. Now here scroll down and click on this Bluetooth option, then click on this run the troubleshooter option. So this will try to identify the problem in your laptop. You have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. And here you can see the problem has been identified, and to fix this issue you have to click on this option, apply this fix. Wait for a few seconds, and here you can see these are the two problems and both the problems are now fixed. I will close this window, close this one. Now if I check the Bluetooth option, now here you can see now I can easily enable or disable my Bluetooth from here as well. One more important thing, on the right side you will see an option, more Bluetooth options. Click on it, and here you have two columns, discovery. Tick this option, allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC, and in the notification area you have two options. Tick both the options, alert me when a new Bluetooth device wants to connect, and the second option is show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So enable all the three options, click on OK. And one more important thing you can do, check the services if you are still getting the same issue. So click on the search box and type service, and you will see an option of services. Click on it. Here you have to find a service called Bluetooth support service. Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, then click on properties. So in the startup type, make sure the option is automatic. If there is something else like manual, change it to automatic, then click on apply. Click on OK. After that, again right click on Bluetooth support service, then click on restart. So this will restart this service. That's it. Now cut this window, and the final step you can check the Bluetooth driver. For this, right click on the Windows icon, then click on device manager, and here you will see the option of Bluetooth, and these are the four drivers I have. Make sure all the four drivers are enabled. In my laptop these two drivers are disabled, so you have to enable the drivers. Right click on it, then click on enable. So make sure all the drivers are enabled. That's it. So these are the steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.